Hashtag vocational schools.
Hello, good evening, Concepcion. Vocational schools are the schools that focus on our vocalization about something. They are schools that focus on musicals and the vocals of students. But from the word vocational, I'm just gonna guess that is about the voice and our vocals. Thank you!
For your hashtag, we have the K-12 curriculum.
Mahirap na ngayon ang pag-aaral, kaya naglagay sila ulit ng matatag curriculum para mahirapan ang mga estudyante. Thank you!
Alright. Hashtag cyberbullying, or what we call the bullying in social media.
Hashtag cyberbullying. The cyberbullying is the social media bullying.
Hashtag Departments of Education.
Department of Education, it is the local government of our school, which is the Benigno Isakino National High School. And I thank you.
Hashtag College Education.
Good evening, everyone. Hashtag college education. College education is all about the course. After senior high, hashtag college education.
Hashtag JS Prom.
Magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Ang JS Prom ay isang extracurricular activity sa ating mga paaralan. Ito ang gabi na kung saan tayo ay nagbibihis, nagpapaganda at pinapakita ang ating sarili sa magandang pamamaraan o sa pagiging maganda ng ating itsura. And I